The next big strategy is here, and it's not SMC, it is not ICT, it is liquidity, but the advanced one and the good one that you gotta master, because otherwise you will not be able to take these, as there is a lot of smart money traps, and I'm gonna show y'all. We are gonna be analyzing gold for this video, and guess what? I'm not even a gold trader. I trade EU and GU, just to show y'all how the vision can be applicable to any market. So starting off, we got this bit of a simple one. We take out liquidity. We didn't take it impulsively though, but as soon as we take it impulsively with another sweep, with a double sweep, how I like to say it, we can continue to run into all-time highs. I think I gave out this. Yeah, I gave out this in the Discord channel, like gold buys look good, but I was just looking at the chart. I don't even trade it. Just an analysis. I don't trade gold. And next thing you know, it just goes to fucking TP. Alright? Not by chance, it's just like we had a perfect case of A, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Alright? Next one. Next one is a short. Now, gold is a trendy asset. So, and we're at all-time highs. We don't want to be shorting. But if you're willing to take the risk, we can just see how it made a fake breaker structure right here, because it gave out this beautiful wick on candle on higher time frames. Okay, people are gonna see this. They're gonna see these inducements right here. There's order block. They're gonna be placing themselves around here after seeing this fake breaker structure. Once we run that, you can see how price goes down, and it goes to take out this previous daily low. And as soon as it takes the previous day low, it does it with impulsement. Alright? With a sell to buy. And then this candle is just beautiful. You can take breaker structure internally and you continue on the way. If you want to get possibly a scaling, but this is during news, I believe, you can. Alright? And then we take out these highs. These highs right here. From not previous day, but 2 days ago. And once we take them, again we into poles on a lot of M5 candles. As soon as you see a double breaker structure or a breaker structure right here, you can place yourself and look for a 5R. Don't be too greedy, because you're also shorting. Alright, that's why we only look for a 4R here, but for the previous daily low. And here we're looking for a 5R, because the stop loss is quite low, is quite small, and only looking to get the target around this smart money trap. Because then again, smart money traders are going to be looking at this. Yes, this took out liquidity and it worked previously, but this small order block, like it could be a liquidity, and like gold likes to play around, so it just took this and it continued. Alright, and this is the only strategy, at least in my opinion, where you can do a ping pong. Alright, because we sold here, bought here, sold here at the same time. And this is not even magic. I spent like 3 minutes doing this. And this is just by how I see my strategy and how I teach in my YouTube videos. You can check all the source absolutely for free. There's people that charge for this type of content. Just the content. Alright, just the information. And I'm giving this for free, and it's not rocket science, boys. It's like fake breaker structure, run them, and because this was a trap, guess what? This will become a trap. Because they see this get ran, and they get stopped out on the shorts, and they say, nah, we're actually bullish, because this took out liquidity, and we can gonna continue the move to the upside. Like this. Ah, so that was it. And then they get run on both sides. They get stop loss here, and we're the smarter ones. We just wait for people to get out here. We place ourselves, and we take advantage of the fact that we know that people will get stopped out here, so we're able to at least get ourselves to break even. Our stops to break even, and some profit, some latent profit on a trade. Alright? as you can see, took here in all-time high. So then again, we're on all-time highs, no previous history. Then we make a breaker structure, people are going to sell. They get stopped out. Then we take out liquidity here, and what I like to say, price goes from one liquidity to another. So here we take out liquidity, then we take out another liquidity, then we take out this. But even then, internally, you can see our price is always taking liquidity, bam, 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 bam. And then this is also a super resistance, and then the all-time highs as well. And then once we take them, again, another move down. That's how it goes. You got the liquidity set up, you got the lines drawn, you wait for them to get taken, and then you short or buy accordingly. Then we got the order block for this price action that mitigated this one, that took out liquidity, that's in order with this one, the bullish momentum. Another case of being all-time highs and having a fake breaker structure. We had this liquidity right here. Again, maybe I'll drop down to 5 minutes. Maybe it's better. We're in the case of having London ran by 230, 220 in this case, but it's a good timing. And we had all this resistance get taken, beautiful candles, all right, to short, fake breaker structure, everybody seeing this, and what's gonna happen? It will turn into a smart money trap. In here we took out liquidity. I'm with you. The thing is, if you want to sell here, you gotta sell immediately. For example, like this, maybe until the trap. This is what I used to do in my scalping strategy. Maybe you can get yourself break even at least, because then once we make the breaker structure on a higher time frame, I mean like on a daily, like 15 minutes or something, on a larger scale, that everybody can see how we did a breaker structure, the liquidation is going to turn into a trap because it's too clear to see. And then we run them, and even price just likes to do a second trap. In here you can see how it went up, it took out this, and then it went up again, just like a double sweep. Smart money trap again on a larger scale of the trading day, and on a smaller scale. And then you can get 3R at least until the trap, because you know it's gonna do a cycle, and because we don't want to be too greedy, because we're shorting again, we're going against the trend. And then you can see how in the previous days we were at all-time highs in Asia, but I don't trade Asia. Price is going down. It tapped the efficiency. Maybe you could have gotten a buy on the efficiency right here, 230. Good timing. Sorry. And as we tap this efficiency, all right, this key level, we went up. Now, when we went up, we're breaking structure here to the upside, but we're not breaking confidently. And what people might be seeing is this, tapping the efficiency, giving a bill impulsement, maybe a sell to buy, right? And it turns into a trap, because it comes here, people are all seeing this resistance, previous resistance, all right, that became a support. And now Asia is playing around. I know for sure this will be a trap. This is starting to support as well right now. And now the smart money traders are fucked. The support resistance traders are fucked. We run that liquidity impulsively, and even on these smaller time frames, we're accumulating again after taking them out. We're accumulating again, giving some bullish momentum, alright? Not breaking it confidently, just with wicks, but to the upside. Boom, boom. You get the bullish momentum here, you get trapped here, you get one more bullish momentum here, and then you get trapped here, but then you get the big impulsement. Now this big impulsement, a sell to buy again, gives you the hint that this is a good move, and we're testing out the initial order block from the move that was previously done. That was this move that caused this to happen. And then you can just target all-time highs. Will it do it? Maybe. Right now we're testing out this, but I believe we can do so. If not, price is just gonna play around and take out more liquidity until it's got enough fuel to take out this. Maybe we can take out this, all right, and then go higher. Maybe if we're in this trade, we could have gotten a break even maybe. But you gotta remind yourself that we didn't mitigate this as much in here. Price just ran. So it's not impossible that price comes back, takes Asia, goes, or takes this and goes, right? Or just goes and then it will take later. And maybe you do a liquidity cycle here, break this to then break higher, and that's just how price moves. It doesn't move like a simple line like this, all right? As I'm showing y'all, it moves like this. Take out liquidity, we go. We take out this liquidity, we go, and then just like this. Because otherwise we would all be millionaires, all right? Just trading simple shit. Just to show y'all how our members have been killing it. Look at this. All right, super solid, super solid. Sheesh. Looking good, looking good. Shorts on the 6 again was here. Beautiful shorts here. Glad that the people took advantage. Boom. Another shorts. Mercs with the shorts as well. Another shorts. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then got people winning in here on the longs. Another shorts, longs. Again with the shorts. Again, not too greedy. Just a 3R, and we good. Go here, sweep liquidity, yeah. Okay. And yeah. If you want to join the group, it's for free. You can find the link in the description. And if you want to learn more about the strategy, you can just check my videos. You got a trading playlist, and you can also check the backtesting videos, which are super valuable, where you can see me trade simulated dates on a simulator, not cheating, and just seeing how I actually trade. And you can get a similar vision like this, even though I don't trade gold, but the vision is applicable to crypto, forex, futures, whatever. Liquidity runs the market. Thank you boys for watching, and see you on the next one.